up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be working on the INTEGRA /RSX. Shout out to the homie. Shout out to the plug, the man, the myth, the legend, Neo from Neo Garage, for helping me out and giving me such an awesome discount on these Muteki lugs. If you guys want to run some of these lug nuts on your vehicle, use discount code Zosh5 at neogarageonline.com. Save you some 5% on some Muteki lugs. I run Muteki lug nuts on the INTEGRA because I like that black on black, and the black on this is no different because this looks trash. But with that Muteki SR48 lug nut, playboy, we should be golden. So I'm gonna put these on today, and then I'm also going to be doing the world's first headlight install on my INTEGRA. But wait, there's more. The headlights can change colors, so it's not gonna be like a demon eye or anything like that. It's an LED bulb, but it can change from 6K to like 9K. Basically, it goes from like white to blue to yellow, all in like a flick of a switch using the OEM controls. So this is going to be something really cool that I should have filmed a long time ago, but well, filming it now. Oh, and guess what came in the mail yesterday, playboy? Ooh, look how cool that is. That's me. All right, let me stop. I'm not on drugs, I promise. All right, playboy. Got them all on. Look how much better that looks. Oh my God. Looks so much better. Huge thank you to the homie Neo, man. Thank you for blessing Nami, bro. Nami appreciate the blessings. Oh, this car is so beautiful. Oof, look at that. Black on black. Black wheels do low-key kind of suck when you're trying to take like a cool picture or something, because like it looks like Steely's, bro. Oh well, it is what it is, man. Not a Honda unless it leaks. Yeah, I'm leaking oil from my oil pan, and it's not what you think it is. It's my actual drain plug. It's bad, so I gotta buy a new drain plug. But before I buy a new drain plug, I gotta do an oil change, because I gotta do oil change on both cars actually. So maybe today we'll just do a little maintenance type vlog of keeping the car. Oh my God, Niggy, bro, look how. Oh man, you guys can't see what I see. Hold on, let me put this on manual mode real quick. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Look at that. I had to go on manual mode just to show y'all. Oof. You see the fitment, boy? Tucking. Well, not tucking, but like no more wheel gap. We fixed that yesterday. Man, that looks good. All right. So the life of a YouTube personality. What's up? My name is Percy, man. That is my real name. I am a full-time YouTuber, which means I do not work a traditional job where I clock in and clock out. This YouTube thing pretty much takes up 24/7 of my life. Anything that I buy, I always ask myself, yo, could I use this in a video? Could it like, it's weird. You know what I mean? It's like, everything that I do or decide to do, I always think about YouTube, because this is my bread and butter. This is how I'm able to eat food and live in this bunk place. I mean, I can't complain. I mean, it's not a bad place to live. It's just my neighbors and no driveway or garage space, and I can't play loud music certain to pass the time. But what? Yep. It's just, but I have a roof over my head. That's what it is. But this is what I do every day, bro. Like, if I'm not filming, I'm playing Call of Duty or trying to find ways to get rich quick. Not like some Ponzi scheme or like how to turn $5 into $5,000. None of that. I just think of ideas, some cool, innovating ideas to get, you know, something to bring something new to the game. But yeah, man, this is what I do every day. My life is not that exciting. It's not like. I'm a cool dude. I'm funny. Sometimes, you know, it's weird because people think I try to be funny sometimes, like in the vlogs, but like that's me. Like, if you ever met me in person, then you know what you see on this is what you get, because that's me. And I think that's why like I'm mildly successful, Miley Cyrus, somewhat successful in my YouTube career, because it's like I'm me 100%. I'm always me, you know what I mean? And like a lot of people fake this persona on here to seem more interesting than they already am, or not. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, it works. Whatever I do, it works. And yeah, man, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that because I'm filling up content because I'm lazy and I don't want to go outside. But I do want to install this bad boy. I'm gonna make a whole vlog and be like, yeah, we're gonna install a license plate. Like, what? Bro! Go to myflorida.com and yeah, look, bro, I don't want to mess this plate up, and I feel like I'm going to. It's gonna be all dirty and blah 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 blah. But this is ice. That's me. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. If I was rich, I'd probably go to therapy. Therapy's expensive, but I would go to therapy to, like, I don't know, I feel like it'd be cool to talk to somebody, you know what I mean? Like, don't feel discouraged by therapy. I remember growing up, bro, it was always negative to, like, want to go to therapy, or like, oh, you're a wimp, or like, you're weak and this and that. But like, therapy doesn't have to be a sad thing. Therapy can be a place where you can go to just talk about, you know, your feelings, your life, and all that stuff. But it doesn't have to have the negative connotation that it does. And I feel like this generation is really making therapy less like negative in a way, because it's like, I would rather talk to somebody I don't know, who won't judge me, who don't know me, talk to them more than I would talk to like my own friends or something like that, because it's the fear of being judged by someone you know. So it's always best to talk to strangers. That's weird, right? Yeah, let's get on with this video. I say all that, and I'm okay. Like, I'm not what you call, like, in a depressive state, you know what I mean? Like, I learned how to work past that. I just wanted to, I don't know, I just like, it's cool that I can vlog this type of stuff now, where like I don't care about like the quality, not quality, but like the content being straight car stuff, because, you know, not everything revolves around cars, you know what I mean? Honest to God, I don't think I'm a car guy. I just like nice cars, and I just want to own a nice car. I don't care about being fast or going boost and all that. I do want to go boost with the INTEGRA. That, don't get me wrong, I do want to do that. Just say I've done it, and then I'll probably go back to all motor. But I'm an all motor guy. I love all motor, the reliability, drive my car across the world, no, you know, not too much stress on the pistons, the rods, and all that crap. It is what it is, bro. It's just well, it's been real, man. I had this plate since the very beginning of time, and RIP, I just killed the club, bro. I don't think a lot of people realize that when I told them that I had headlights for the RSX. I do. I'm just waiting on the LED bulbs to arrive, then I can install them onto the RSX. That's just to get that out the way, because people are like, yo, Zosh, bro, your car needs some headlights. You guys said I got them already, but y'all don't like to listen to them. Now, as far as head is concerned, got these in the mail not too long ago. These bulbs can change colors, fam. Look, son. Yeah, hold on. No, that's not it. Hold on. Where it at? Where it at? Woo! These are the headlights. You got 6K, you got some yellow K, and you got that yellow Playboy. So we're gonna world's first 4 colors. So that's what we're gonna be installing into the INTEGRA right now. And yeah, I might title this video World's First INTEGRA to have this, and that's fine. It's not clickbait, I'm pretty sure. Well, this is not even out yet. Well, I'm pretty sure by the time I drop this, you do the research, it's out, but they sent me that way before they whatchamacallit, like, produced it, because they just wanted to, I don't know what I'll be talking about, but it's not clickbait. And if it is clickbait, what you gonna do? Unsubscribe? Cool, do that. You're not gonna unsubscribe because you are the homie. Homies don't unsubscribe from their homies for just throwing a video and saying, look, I would be the world's first. So this is the company Basla, I think that's how you pronounce it. No idea. But here is the LED. It's pretty much the same thing as the aux beam, but you got like a little ballast you can like hang up somewhere. But all in all, this is what we rocking with, Playboy. So I hope I don't have to remove my bumper, bro, because that's too much work, man. Let me see if I could just do it from, oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to remove the, oh, wait, maybe I'm pretty sure I have to remove the bumper. Yeah, I don't want to remove the bumper, bro. All right, here's the, okay, so I didn't have to remove the bumper, but it was a pain to get it in, but it's installed, and I didn't film it because, well, it's just, I do this, like, whatever. Let's see if it turns on. It should. And it doesn't. Unless, wait, hold on. Don't I gotta, like, okay, I have no idea. Dog. Check this out. Hold on, let me, bro. All right, so I had the freaking blah 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 blah. All right, dog, check this out. Check this shit out. Right, regular LED, right? Cool. Oh, it's getting yellow. Why, bruh? What, bruh? That is, oh my god. And then if I want to. Dog. My title staying. World's first Integra to have this. Boom. Done. This is ice. This is ice. Alright, so let me get the other side installed along with the high beams or daytime running lights. And I'll be sure to film more at night with the car. Oh, maybe should I take it out tonight? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. Fire. Yeah, man. That's sick. And this right here is the second bulb. This one, I believe, can change colors. Like, hold on. You got the red, green, blue, and then the standard 6K. So, let's see, man. I'm gonna hook this up into the high beam spot, and then we'll just go from there. So, this is the daytime running light. Dude, what is going on right now? I wonder if I can just get it to stay a color. Oh. Oh, that's too tough, bro. So in order to like change them, you just hit like if you, so the high beams, like if I just wanted to go like this, you see it changing yellow. Now if I went for the high beams, hold on, headlights on. Now I got regular HID high beams. And then I got the demon eyes and all that. Bro, this is so cool, dog. Ah, this is so sick. All right. This is so tough, bro. What the hell is this, dog? God damn. I officially would like to take the title of world's first Integra to have this. Bruh. Bruh. This is tough, bro. This is so cool, dog. And if you don't like all the colors on that, simple. That's it. And you're good.
Working on the weekend.
And like usual. Yeah, buddy. Hey, y'all wanna see my headlights?
Let's see this right back.
Come on, bro. All right, check me out. Y'all ready? Turn them off. Oh shit! Hold on. Oh, oh, hold on. I'll show you. That's so cool. I got hazards, bro. Without even having hazards. I don't have hazards. It don't work with LEDs. What are you talking about? That's cool as hell. Ooh, that's nice. Hey, thank you, bro. Ooh. Bro, look how cool that is. I daily drove my Integra today to show you guys these lights. Look at, like, this is not even a sponsored video at this point because I was supposed to do this like months ago. But man, that's so cool. And like, if I were to, like, I'll show you guys when I go on this dark ass road. Like, they're pretty bright. Like, they're bright. Not bad. If I want them to like blink or whatever, look at that, son. All right, regular HID sky. Ooh, this is so cool. So sick. And then if I want to go a little bit yellow, like a mixture of like the white LED with the yellow. Now you guys see you got yellow tint in it. Then if I want to go full yellow, so damn cool. Ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Dog, I've been hype in my life about certain things, but yo, those headlights, probably the coolest thing ever. But got some tofu. JK. Got me and my mom some fried rice and some cat wings. Did I just lose subscribers? My clothes in the trash bag because my mom's kicking me out, man. So I'm gonna need y'all to hit the like button. Thank y'all for watching, man.